traders, Carolina Lizan here, a Grok Trade graduate student. It is Tuesday, October 11th of 2011, and we are looking at the Q's daily chart. And look what we see here happening today. We are way outside of that symmetrical triangle formation that you see here between these two purple trend lines. The one here down below, which is acting as a pretty significant area of support, and the one up here, which was acting as a significant area of resistance. So when resistance once broken becomes support, so that's what it's doing right now. It's acting as a significant and major area of support at this point in time because we are way outside of it. So we had a breakout here yesterday, but on really low volume, which I didn't really like, and I told you about it, that I don't like the volume, and that's what happened. We had that breakout on small volume, and here again today we are continuing higher, making another higher high and another higher low, closing the day slightly above the 200-day moving average, which is significant. The 200-day moving average is a significant area of resistance that I really want you to pay close attention to tomorrow as well. And check this out, volume is picking up a little bit here, but it's still considered low volume because we are way below the average. So that is what I see here on our volume bar chart. But anyways, yeah, we've been going up for quite some time in here. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days up. That is significant. So we are definitely ready for a little bit of a pullback here, at least down to that lower area support right here, the 55, about 55.33 mark. So, and then if we ever get there, we could continue lower to the next area support right here, the 54.38 mark. And then the next one, the next major one would be down here, the 53.77. But those are areas of support that you should keep your eye on because they're really significant and important. They can make a difference. But anyways, yeah, so that's what it is. We are still continuing higher. We are above actually three major moving averages. The first one down here in green, which is the 8 moving average, my favorite. And then the next one slightly above it, which is the 50-day moving average, and you can see it here in red. And now the blue line is here, the 200-day moving average. So pay close attention to it tomorrow to see what happens. We're definitely ready for a little bit of a pullback, so watch for that as well. But if we do continue higher, we could go all the way up to the next area of resistance, right up here, the 56.64 mark, and then the next big one, the next major one would be 57.14, and the next big one would be right here where you see this thick blue trend line going up, and it's at about 57.85. So those are quite a few areas of resistance for you to watch and pay close attention to, as well as you have some areas of support down below as well if we ever pull back a little bit. So that is what I see here on our chart. And see, the MACD is still pointing higher. It's still above the zero line, which is bullish. So it's nicely confirming that up run here that we have on our chart. And as I said, we are trading on really light volume right here. So I don't really like it. So again, pay close attention to all of the areas of support and resistance that I showed you here today. Pay close attention to the MACD to look for confirmation, and also keep your eye on the volume bars because this is significant as well. So hopefully I just got some points here across and it helps you a little. But if you have any questions, just feel free to send me an email. And I'll be really happy to speak with you. And my email address is, as usual, Carolina, like the state, at groktrade.com. Alright, so enjoy your day, evening, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow.